What if you could increase your rate of muscle growth while you sleep? Since most people spend at least 6 to 9 hours sleeping every night, this could lead to exponentially faster results. You see, while you're asleep, your muscles are able to fully relax and your body releases certain favorable hormones for muscle growth and repair. So muscle recovery and repair is automatically made one of the top priorities for your body while you sleep. And there are 5 powerful things you can do to enhance the muscle protein synthesis process and get the best recovery possible while dozing off and counting sheep. And the first simple way that you can improve muscle growth while sleeping is by eating protein before going to bed. By having some protein before going to bed, whether in the form of a casein protein shake or real food like cottage cheese, doing so will likely increase your rate of protein synthesis while decreasing muscle protein breakdown. You see, at the end of the day, protein within your body is primarily used as a building block for all of your muscle. When you go for an extended period of time without eating food, your body will eventually run out of amino acids, meaning that it has to break down some of the amino acids found in tissues like muscle. On the other hand, when you have a steady supply of new amino acids while you sleep, your body has no need to break down muscle tissue and instead is able to repair and grow muscles that need to recover more efficiently. There are many studies available that show that consuming protein before bed can speed up muscle development. One of these studies, for example, gauged the impact of pre-sleep protein intake on healthy young men. They were all instructed to perform an evening weightlifting session, and after the workout, all of the men were given 20 grams of protein. However, 30 minutes before bed, only half of the participants were given a protein shake containing 40 grams of casein protein, while the other half of the participants just went to sleep. And researchers were able to observe that the group that took the casein shake showed elevated muscle protein synthesis rates. These results suggested that post-workout recovery is boosted by protein consumption. However, the issue with this study is that we don't know if that increase in muscle growth is the result of just consuming more protein and calories overall, or if it's specific to consuming protein directly before going to bed. So we have another study where, again, young men were put through a 12-week resistance training program. During this time, all the men in the study stuck to a daily protein intake of 1.3 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. The only difference between participants was that one group was given a pre-sleep shake consisting of 27.5 grams of protein and 15 grams of carbohydrates, while the control group received a placebo drink with no protein. Ultimately, the results show that the group consuming the protein shake experienced significantly superior muscle strength and size enhancements. So it's very likely that consuming protein before going to bed will benefit muscle growth. So much so that the International Society of Sports Nutrition concluded that casein protein at a rate of about 30 to 40 grams of protein prior to bed can acutely increase muscle protein synthesis and resting metabolic rate throughout the night. So if you're watching this before going to bed, please keep in mind that all these references specifically refer to casein protein. While you likely will experience benefits with other protein sources as well, including whey, casein might be the superior protein source to have before bed. The reason for this is that casein protein gets absorbed slower than other protein sources, especially fast-absorbing ones like whey protein. This provides you with a more steady and long-lasting supply of amino acids while you're sleeping, allowing you to repair and build more muscle while sleeping without the need to take in more amino acids. Keep in mind that casein isn't only found in a protein shake. You can get it from foods, especially dairy-based products like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, and milk. Now, another extremely powerful way to build far more muscle while dozing off in bed is by getting enough sleep. And many people don't like to hear this because they don't get enough sleep consistently as it is. However, this is an extremely low-hanging fruit, and the impact on your ability to build muscle at a faster rate is hugely influenced by how much quality sleep you get. For example, in a study that I've mentioned before, subjects were split into 2 groups and both were in calorie deficits. Group 1 slept 8.5 hours per night and Group 2 slept only 5.5 hours per night. At the end of the study, both groups lost the same amount of weight, which was expected given the fact that they were both maintaining the same exact calorie deficit. But the changes in body composition were vastly different between the groups. The sleep deprivation group lost 60% more muscle and 55% less fat than those who got 8.5 hours of sleep per night. And it doesn't take long for a lack of sleep to negatively affect muscle growth. For example, a 2018 paper analyzed how one sleepless night would affect a group of young men. The researchers found that just by not sleeping for one night, the participants' muscles already showed signs of increased muscle protein breakdown. On top of that, the fat tissue throughout their bodies already had elevated levels of metabolites and proteins that are involved in fat storage. In other words, not only is getting enough sleep important for making sure that you get and stay lean, but it's also crucial from a muscle building perspective. Some reasons are that not getting enough sleep decreases testosterone, it negatively impacts gym performance, decreases muscle recovery, increases muscle protein breakdown, and bumps up systematic inflammation. The most obvious tip is to sleep more, which is easier said than done because the average person gets less than 7 hours of sleep every night, according to the National Institute of Health. Unfortunately, there is no best amount of sleep to get per night. It depends on individual factors. Some people need more sleep than others to function and build muscle optimally, but for the vast majority of people, the general guideline is to get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per day. This doesn't mean being in your bed for 7 to 9 hours. It means 7 to 9 hours of actual sleep. Now, it's important to understand that if you train hard, you might need more sleep to recover optimally and maximize muscle growth. So in that case, you might want to aim for at least 8 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Also, it's important to note that not all sleep is created equal. If, for example, you wake up regularly during the night because of noise, your sleep is going to be less restorative than if you were to sleep undisturbed. Next is the obvious, but worth mentioning anyway. You need to lift weights. In order to build muscle faster while sleeping, you will have to provide the stimulus for your body to rebuild muscle bigger and stronger to begin with. This means you need to lift weights and apply progressive overload. When you lift weights, muscle protein synthesis will automatically be elevated while you're sleeping, but if you don't lift, that won't be the case. One of the best things you can do is train each muscle at least twice per week. Given that muscle protein synthesis generally only stays elevated for about 48 to a maximum of 72 hours after training, training each muscle multiple times per week is superior and will keep muscle protein synthesis elevated almost all week while you're sleeping. Also, sleep and strength training are mutually beneficial, and those benefits apply both ways. Lifting weights actually improves sleep quality as shown by various studies, and it especially improves sleep quality if you train late at night. This was confirmed by a 2019 meta-analysis. Just keep in mind, taking a pre-workout or drinking coffee before a late night workout can actually lower sleep quality. Next, you'll want to optimize your bedroom environment. Like I said, it's not just about the hours that you stay asleep, but you also want high quality sleep to get the maximum muscle building benefits. One of the best things you could do for better quality sleep is optimize your bedroom environment, which can be done multiple ways. One of those is by making sure that your bedroom is pitch black while you're sleeping, because even a relatively small amount of light can interrupt sleep. So if your room isn't pitch black, or you wake up in the morning before you want to be up due to sunlight entering your room, get some blackout curtains so that your sleep won't constantly get disrupted. Alternatively, you can also get a night mask to block out any unwanted light. Another important thing to consider that I've already alluded to is noise. Environmental noise such as air and vehicle traffic has been shown to increase stage 1 sleep and decrease slow wave and REM sleep, which is detrimental because during REM sleep, the body shifts its resources to the task of repairing tissues and cells. On top of that, noise while sleeping can also lead to extra production of hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol, as well as an elevated heart rate and blood pressure, which impairs sleep quality and makes you more likely to wake up earlier as well as in the middle of the night. My personal recommendation to block out sound is to play something known as brown noise or white noise right off of YouTube while you sleep. Not only do these sounds help me get to sleep, but they also block external noise as well. However, you should know that a consistent monotone sound has not been confirmed to benefit or impair sleep quality by research. Some studies show that it might actually increase sleep quality, while others show neutral or negative effects. So it's likely a matter of personal preference. If you prefer, it's totally fine to sleep with white or brown noise in the background, or even the sound of a fan, air conditioner, or nature sounds can all work. But if you're the type of person that prefers to sleep in complete silence, that's also fine. In that case, buying high quality earplugs might also be beneficial. One last thing in regard to your room environment is that you want to make sure that your bedroom isn't too warm. As concluded by the Sleep Foundation, the best room temperature for sleep is approximately 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, tip number 5 for building more muscle while sleeping is to avoid alcohol consumption as much as possible. While some people find that it's easier to fall asleep after drinking alcohol, it doesn't actually go along with an increase in sleep quality. In fact, your sleep will most likely be significantly worse because drinking disrupts your sleep cycle. The alcohol in your system will mean you'll spend less time in the important rapid eye movement, also known as REM stage of sleep. The end result is that you wake up feeling less refreshed, and even just a few drinks can have this effect. Now, if you have 1 or 2 drinks every once in a while, the adverse effects you'll experience in terms of health and muscle growth will most likely be very small, if any at all. However, don't make it a habit, and especially avoid binge drinking, which is most detrimental for sleep quality and building muscle while sleeping. Also, if you want to have a drink or two from an entirely sleep and muscle building perspective, it would be better to take in alcohol relatively early in the evening instead of closer to bedtime. If by any chance you've been using alcohol to make it easier to fall asleep, consider exploring alternatives that allow you to reap the same benefits without suffering the adverse consequences. For example, take care of things like optimizing your sleep environment. Having a consistent sleep and waking cycle can be very beneficial. Consuming enough magnesium, avoiding caffeine later in the day, and potentially supplementing with melatonin. So